The exports are doing well, in fact, because there's a very strong China plus one playing out. And why that China plus one is playing out is because the Europe and the US market, while those markets are under pressure, they are now wanting to de-link from China as much as possible, and that has happened because of, you would have heard about the challenges on front, the curbs on the front of the rare earth magnets, the curbs on the front of technology curves for batteries, for electric vehicles. So what's very interesting, what we are observing is that the newer RFQs that we are getting, the request for quotations that we are getting from customers overseas, they want us to be, whenever we supply the whatever products that we are supplying, that entire product supply chain should have no connection with China. So if I'm a tier one, as a tier two, imports cannot be from China. So one, it's a great opportunity for India to localize. It's a great opportunity for us to scale up because the world wants to de-link from China. And as I said, the exports did well. They grew 5%. They stood at $24 billion.